Hello friends, we are going to discuss today linear equation exercise AB and question number 11. In this particular question, the question is like it is already given here. Question is the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 12. Okay, the sum of two-digit number is 12. The sum of the two-digit number is 12. I understood. Okay. That means I'm having two-digit number. Like for example, if it is 48. Then 48 is a two-digit number, and if I add 4 and 8, it is 12. This is just an example. I don't know whether it is 48 or 66. I don't know the exactly. I don't know what is the number, but I'm just considering it as an example. So the sum of the digit of the two-digit number is 12. Okay, I understood it. Second thing is if the number is a new number formed by reversing the digit. Okay, that means I'm just making 84 instead of 48. I'm making now 84. I'm just reversing the digit. Unit digit will become the tens digit, and the tens digit will become the unit digit. Okay, reversing the digit is greater than the original number by 54. That means it should be uh, original number by 54. The reversing the digit will become 54 more than the original number. Okay, understood? No issues. Then what we have to do? We have to find out the number and check the solution. So this is not going to create a lot of difficulties. One by one we can solve. Just stay with me. Okay, so the solution goes this way. First of all, we will let the number of unit. Okay, so what I did, I just took this is statement, let the digit in the unit place be x, and then we will write the tens place, right? Tens place. So you can see here, what is it? Then the digit in the tens place be, see the summation is 12. That means if I am taking unit digit x, so what is the tens digit? 12 minus x. What's wrong in that? Then after this, what we will write, therefore original number. See here, original number is 10 times the tens digit plus unit digit, 1 times the unit digit. So when you open this bracket, you will get 10 into 12 is 120 minus 10 into x is 10x plus x. So when you simplify this, minus 10x plus x will give you minus 9x, right? Because there is a subtraction, and since 10 is bigger, so the negative will come up. Then the next statement. So before we write the next step, we must read this part of the question. If the new number formed by reversing the digit, that means x will be, like I have taken in the original number x as a unit place. Now the x will become at tens place, and this 12 minus x will be at unit place. So what changes we will have? We will have, on reversing the digit, we have x at the tens place and 12 minus x at the unit. Therefore we will have certain changes. When we change the places, we will have some changes over here. And what are those changes? That easily can be judged. Therefore the new number which we will get is 10x, because x is a tens place, x is at tens place, and 12 minus x is at the unit place. So when you simplify this, you will get 10x plus 12 minus x, and 9x plus 12 is the new number which you have got. Now according to the question, if we read the next part of the question, if the new number formed by reversing the digit is greater than the original number by 54, remember this, greater than the original number by 54. So what state? Yes, tell me what statement will get then. Okay, you need my help. Okay, no problem. I'm going to tell you. Uh, According to the question, the new number is equals to the original number plus 54. We know what is the new number. 9x plus 12 is my new number. And what is the old number or the original number? It was 120 minus 9x. I think you are getting it. Now, when we substitute the values like new number and the original number, when we substitute these values, we may get the equation like this: 9x, which is my new number, and furthermore 120 minus 9x is the original number and 54. When you further solve it, I need all the values 9x, and when you take the negative 9x from the right hand side to the left hand side, it will become positive 9x, right? And this equals to remains as it is, 120 remains as it is, plus 54 remains as it is. But when you take this positive 12 from left hand side to the right hand side, it will be subtracted, right? Actually, I have told you many times, we are not taking any number from right hand side to the left hand side, neither we are doing left hand side to the right hand side or right hand side to the left hand side. What we are doing, whatever we don't want in any of the side, we simply want to eliminate that term. And in order to eliminate, for example, if it is a positive term, then the inverse of that is negative number, I will put in the left hand side, and the operation which I am doing in one side of the equation, the same operation I have to do to the other side of a equation. That is why the confusion arises that we are taking. This is just to make you understand, or make your what you can say memories, you can memorize it easily. That's why the people have taken this thing. Now if you solve this, 120 plus 54 is 174, 174 minus 12 is 162, right? So the equation will be 162, and left hand side is 9 plus 9 is 18x is equals to 162. When you simplify this, actually I want only x, I don't want 18x. So when you are going to solve this x, 162 divided by 18, and when you are going to divide this x by, sorry, x is equals to 162 by 18, you will get the value of x is equals to 9. But remember, this is not my final answer, right? What assumptions we have taken in initially when we were doing this question, we started this question. See here, let the digit in the unit place be x. So the value you got, x is equals to 9, is your unit place value. Don't forget this, it's a unit place value, right? I'm just going to mention the answer, unit place value. Here I'm just going to mention it the other side of the same board. So what is it? X is equals to 9, which is unit place, and this is unit place, write it here. And what is your tens place? Tens place is 12 minus x, that is 12 minus 9, and that is 3, right? So the required number will be, required number is equals to 3, that is tens place, and 9, that is at the unit place. So I got this answer 39. I think you understood very clearly. Still, if you do not understand, please ask me again. I can help you out in order to explain the same question again in a different way. If you have not subscribed yet, please do it, and also press the bell icon, because continuously our team is working and making efforts to make you understand and help you people. So whenever there is a doubt, you please mention it in the comment box. Your doubts will be entertained as soon as possible. Okay, thank you guys, good night, have fun.